नका माहीत करा गाडी सोड पटकन गाडी सोड पुढल्या पटकन
हाँ नींद है तो चल रे चल तू असं बस रे असं रे आमचेच दिसानी
मॅडम ब्रीफ करतले
सर जस्ट वन थिंग मीटिंग कसली आशिल्ली एकूच सांग मातशें सांग
Meeting very asli. It was reviewed by Honorable CM.
कित्याचें डिस्कशन आहलें
It was discussion on all COVID hospitals.
कोवीड हॉस्पिटल्स आनी आयज जीएमसीचो एक वॉर्डूय तुमी कोवीड केलेलो आसा तेजेर मातशें एक ब्रीफ कर
122 ward आम्ही आता COVID केला.
हां
Which is like earlier it was given to cardiothoracic.
हां
Now cardiothoracic is shifted to 121 and 122 is now converted into COVID.
कितले बेड्स आसतले ते
30 beds.
30 बेड्स स्पेशल पेशंट
145 146 फुल झाले म्हणून एक्स्ट्रा खर्च पडलो
हो आणि एक्स्ट्रा खर्च पडलो कित्याक लोड वाढत आसा
हां
टोटल कितले पेशंट आहात कोविड
सध्या आमच्याकडे सध्या 146 आणि क्रिटिकली इल 22 आसा
ओके
आणि 147 आणि फुल 30 145 आणि 30 148 आणि 30 आहा
ओके
आणि 122 अजून पेशंट घालून आता हे पण कमिशन जातलो बाय इवनिंग
ओके
जस्ट टूक अराउंड अँड मेक इट
सर सीएमा कडेन कितें डिस्कशन आहलें
सीएमान रिव्ह्यू घेतला सगळे
डायलिसीस बी सावथाक बी स्टार्ट करपा पळय प्रायवेट ते बी डिस्कस जाले तितून
डायलिसीस आता कोविड हॉस्पिटलान आसा बट ती अपग्रेड करूंक सोदता सीएम
सर
अपग्रेड म्हणजे
आनीक थंय 2 मशीन घालता मोबायलूय घालता
वी आर
मोबायल डायलिसीस युनिट
ओके we are seeing increase in every day sir in covid isn't it worrying more because you are trying to get the number down but
see it is a social problem also people should also observe social distancing proper mask so if in community we take precautions I think we can very well control it and slowly herd immunity is coming so it will hopefully it will come down
ओके 122 पुरो जातलो आता का आनी वाडोवचें पडटलें
that we'll take a call after 122 is full we will have to take a call
प्रायवेट खंयची हॉस्पिटल कोविड पेशंट घेता
म्हाका तितली डिटेल ते खबर ना कित्याक हांव जाणा मणिपाल घेता आनी हे घेता अपोलो विक्टर आनी SMRs
any
हेल्थवे आहा न्हू हेल्थवे घेयना
म्हाका ती आयडिया ना ते BHSक खबर आसता
any update on Ayush minister health status
today I don't know but he was doing well till yesterday very well
getting improved
Yeah.
and Churchill and Sudhin Bada
they are also doing well
स्पीकर आहा जीएमसी
speaker is very fine and he will be discharged soon
when today
today health minister had come to see him also so he will be discharged very soon
but he had something serious nothing no just for checkup
his was his own old problem of cardiology
okay
So mortality rate has been increased. Any study you people are doing?
Mortality rate I told you, no. As it is, our mortality is much less than country's statistics. We are less than 1%. What is happening today is people are not coming forward that they will have a social stigma. They are not coming reporting to hospital on time. Our only plea to people is you report early if you get symptoms. And even in plasma, what we discussed that day, we always said 72 hours are very critical. So if you come within that period, we can really help you a lot by giving plasma. So people should report to us very early.
प्लाझ्मा 72 आवर्स कित्याक म्हटलें तुमी?
There is a study that if you give plasma for a critically ill patient within 72 hours, the recovery is better.
प्लाझ्मा डोनेशनाची कशी स्टेटस?
Plasma donation is still to pick up. We have already asked so many groups
Yeah.
to come forward. And today also we had a good response. A lot of people had called. They were willing to donate.
कितले
but lot
बँक
of
बँकेन कितले आहा सध्या प्लाझ्मा बँक?
सध्या आमच्याकडे 15 असतात.
15,000. पण डेली कितले लागता डेली बेसिस?
Daily requirement is much higher. So we need more people to come forward.
मोर पीपल येवपाक तुमी कितें तरी सर्टिफिकेट वा इन्सेंटिव्स वर्कआउट करता म्हटलेले.
आम्ही इन्सेंटिव्सची खबर ना पण आम्ही एक एप्रिसिएशन सर्टिफिकेट दिला ते दुस लोकांक इन एट द हँड्स ऑफ ऑनरेबल इलेक्शन.
ओके.
Plus we are trying to give more such incentives, means giving them recognition through certificate. And they should come forward as one of the most social responsibility.
Sir, but lot of people are dying because of the comorbid situation. So you people are doing anything special
See,
for these people?
comorbidity is a cause of death, but if somebody comes late with comorbidity, then it becomes double the reason for death, you know. So again, my plea to the public is don't worry about society. If they are having COVID, report to us early. Because a lot of patients are coming and dying soon, and then a lot of patients are brought dead. So we can't do much on this, you know, with the advanced cases.
मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलात तुम्ही काय व्हेंटिलेटर काय मिळवला की वयल्यान प्लाझ्मा तुमचे तेंच्यांनी तुमकां डोनेट केला म्हणून असे डॉक्टर साळकाराची
I don't know that part. Please.
Okay.
थँक्यू.
Thanks, doctor.